In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for badges, stickers, logos, or any design where you want your text to follow a neat circular path. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, using built-in tools so you don't need any add-ins. Start by creating word art. Go to the Insert tab, choose Word Art, and pick a style you like. The style mainly affects the initial look, but you can adjust colors and effects later, so don't stress about the exact choice right now. When the placeholder text appears, select it and type the words you want to wrap around your circle. Shorter phrases tend to look cleaner, but you can experiment. You can also change the font and size after the effect is applied, so just get your text in place first. Next, apply the curve effect that makes the magic happen. Click once to select the word art so you see the handles around it. Then go to the Shape Format tab, sometimes labeled Drawing Tools if your window is smaller. Click Text Effects, hover over Transform, and under the Follow Path section, choose the Circle option. You'll see your text immediately snap into a curved path. At this point, don't worry if it looks more like an oval or only forms part of a circle. That's normal before we adjust the size of the word art container. Now, refine the shape so your text forms a true circle. With the word art still selected, resize the box into a perfect square. The easiest way is to drag a corner handle and watch that the height and width end up the same. If you prefer precision, use the size controls on the ribbon to match the height and width values. Once the box is square, your text will curve smoothly around a complete circle. Continue dragging the corner handles to scale the circle up or down until it fits your layout. If the letters look crowded or stretched, try a slightly different font size or a shorter phrase, and keep the box square as you adjust. That's all there is to it. Insert word art, apply the Follow Path Circle transform, and resize the word art into a square to perfect the curve. From here, you can fine-tune colors and styles in Shape Format to match your document's design. Save your file, and your circular text is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished, circular text in Word.